Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Balloonary. Balloonary is a tool that will help you to generate automatically the digital ads based on your website's content. And if you see here, by using this tool, you can run ads on Facebook, Google, and Instagram. And in future, the LinkedIn ads feature will come also in this tool. And see, they're saying Balloonary is an AI-powered ad platform that automatically generates digital ads across multiple platforms based on your web copy. And if you see the lifetime deal pricing of this Balloonary, they are offering up to code 5. And if you want everything unlimited, then you have to get this code 5 basically, and it's ideal for agencies, I think. But if you're not agency, then I think this code 3 or 4 or 2 is enough for you. And here see 0% commission on ad budget in every code here is available, guys. So these are the things. Now, without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Balloonary and let's explore how things work here and how easy to set up ads by using this tool. This is the dashboard of Balloonary, guys. At first, we have to connect our ad account. See, there have connection option, and here you can connect your Google ad account and Facebook and Instagram ad account. In future, you will also be able to connect your LinkedIn ad account, guys. And I'm not adding my ad accounts here because this is a dummy account. But in your case, definitely, if you want to use it professionally, you have to connect it. Just click here connect, and then you will get instruction how you can connect your ad accounts. After that, they have campaigns. See here, you will see all your campaigns. And in this video, I will create one campaign. I have already created two campaign to test, guys. And to create new campaign, just click here new campaign, and here you have to just insert your website URL. Let's say my website URL is this one, https, then double slash, then let's say space travello.com. Let's say this is one of my website and I want to run ads for this website. So I'll scan the website, then it will take some time to scan. See how fast it is. And see, this is the website scan copy, and this is basically website meta description, and this is website name. And you can edit these things if you want, but I do not want to edit. I'll just confirm it, and then let's see how easy to set up the ads. See here, you can run ads for Google, for Facebook, for Instagram, and LinkedIn will coming soon. So these are the things. Let's say in this video, I will show you how you can run ad on Google, and the process is almost same to run on Facebook and Instagram. I will show you the example by using Google Ads. So I'm selecting here Google, and then I'll click here next. And then it will suggest you the ad copy. The AI of this Balloonary will suggest you the ad copy. It will take some time maybe, and then it will suggest you. Also, you can add your own ad copy here, guys. See here, they're saying that generating AI suggestions. So now it will generate the AI suggestion. Just give it some time. See, pick headline. Here you have to pick the headline, and here you have to pick the description. Now if I click here, see, these are the AI suggestion, and it's depending on the website name and website meta description. See, they have explored the universe, and then let's say incredible space adventure, and the third text will be soar among the stars. And then it will suggest you the description also. Let's say the most experienced team for space travel service, or the best customer service for space travel service. And then let's say the next one will be here, we offer the best prices for space travel service. Okay, it can be done, or let's say this one. So these are the things. In this way, you can get the AI suggestion for your ad copy also, guys. Also, you can edit these things. You can add the ad copy by your own if you need. I hope you get idea, guys. After that, they have targeting. Here you have to target these things. You have to target your targeted country. Let's say Germany and United States. You can here basically search your targeted location. Let's say I want to search only New York. So see, New York is available here. So depending on your need and depending on your criteria, you can add here location. After that, they have keyword, and it will suggest you AI keyword. See, space travel, space tourism. These are the suggestions, guys. I haven't searched anything here. These are the suggestions depending on our website. So these are the things. I hope you get idea, guys, about this keyword section. You can here search depending on your need. Let's say space travel agency. So these are the suggestions. Now you can add these things, and then let's say I'll search here space x, Starlink, SpaceX, Starship, then Starlink Internet. These things has been shown here. I hope you get idea, guys. In this way, it will suggest you the keywords depending on your search and depending on your website content. I hope you get idea. After that, they have demographics. You can select here different language, or you can also here target all languages. Let's say I'll target here only English, and then here it will be show you the budget, and here you can select the one off budget, also the monthly budget, and then see here you can increase or decrease the budget, and depending on your budget it will show you estimated how much impression and how much clicks you can get basically. And then here one thing I want to clarify, guys. You are seeing here 20% commission rate. As I am using their free trial, that's why I'm seeing here 20% commission rate. But if you get the lifetime deal from AppSumo of this Balloonary, then it will cost you 0% commission on ad budget. These are the things, guys. I hope you get idea, guys. And then here you can ask these things with an expert. See, you can ask it to an expert that if your things are right or wrong, and then you can just proceed to payment. So these are the things. I hope you get idea, guys. If I just click here proceed to payment, and then here I have to pick a plan basically. But these are the things. In this way you can create your ad copy. You can target different location, different keywords, and different languages. You can set up your budget, and then it will help you, or its AI will help you to run your ads. These are the things. I hope you get idea, guys. It will reduce human effort, nothing else. I hope you get idea. After that, they have your website. Here basically you will see your website, and you can connect your website analytics here. Just click here connect, and then it will give you one script. You have to just copy and paste this script on the back end of your website on the head section. So these are the things. I hope you get idea, and then it will show you the website analytics. I hope you get idea, guys, about this Balloonary tool, and it's very easy to set up, guys. Here you will see your Google ads, and here you will see your website basically. Also, if you run the ads, you will see all your performance metrics here. And if you run multiple ad under one campaign, you can do it also. Then you will see all your ad analytics here basically in this section. See, they have new ad. You can run ad on Google, on Facebook, on Instagram. And to run ads on Facebook and Instagram, you need image, right? And the AI of Balloonary will help you to pick the right image also. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. I'm not adding new ad right now, but you can add. You can rename it, you can duplicate it, and you can archive the campaign also from here. And you can see all your traffic from here. If you have any traffic, if you run real campaign here. I hope you get idea, guys, about this Balloonary tool. And this Balloonary tool will help you to speed up your campaigns, or to speed up your ads. I hope you get idea, guys, about this Balloonary tool. So if you think you need this type of tool for your business or for your personal growth, and if you are the person who run Google or Facebook or Instagram ads continuously every day or every week, then I think you need this Balloonary tool. And you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing, guys. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Balloonary lifetime deal. It's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.